it's Riley from Shaggy Dog Fishing, and I'm going to be shore fishing. We're shore fishing today. We were in a bit of a rush, so we're not using any live bait today. We had to just really quickly go to Mixed Fishing Supplies and grab some party squid and some lugworm. They didn't have any ragworm in stock today, so we just used the average lugworm. So this is going to be our rigging today. Hopefully we can have a chance at a bream, bass, or hopefully could do maybe a couple wrasse. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for Shaggy Dog Fishing. Right, just checking the bait again now, guys. Slowly, just in case there's a fish. Yeah. Whatever it is, just really near it now. I've changed the bait over it, maybe. Yeah, definitely no fish. We've just been getting some bites for a few minutes on my rod, so I'm going to lift it up and see what's there. Oh yeah, I got a fish. Feel it biting. He's a big one. I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, I still got it. I've never been shore fishing like this before, so I don't know if it's big or not. Go on first.
Don't let it go slack. Gentle. Don't let it go slack.
Come on, fish, what are you? Oh, it is. Is that in? Oh, what's that? Ah, little bream. There we are. First fish of the day. It's a lovely fish, so stay tuned for our next one. First black bream, baby. No more bites, so now we're going to be going home. Right, it's Riley from Shaggy Dog Fishing, and we're just going digging for some bait now, but we've got to be quick for the tides, because the tide's coming up. All there. here. One, these are just a nice one. Little one. We're just looking a wetland here. We're just looking for some ordinary lugworm here. Birds. All we're doing, guys, is looking for some soft sand. Getting the fork. Just digging. Boy. Birds. I'm digging there, boy. Right, so this is what we're doing. So, see you after on the beach. Ready to do some shore fishing. Right, guys, we just finished the tides up now. We're going to be going shore fishing now. As you can see, Shaggy dog's floating today. So we've got all our bait now. So here's our bait. Here's the difference between a lugworm and a ragworm. Ragworm should be slightly bigger. They've got a bit more hair, looking leggy, crawly kind of things. Got a mouth with some teeth. Lugworms don't really have any. Be quiet, birds. And lugworm just are a bit more fat and a bit more small. Got some cockles, some limpets. We also found this, some weight and some ragworm. A weight someone must have had a hooky in the rocks and got stuck. So there's another view of quick Shaggy dog. And stay tuned for when we go shore fishing now. Just cast out my water, my 12-foot rod. We're hoping to get some bass, bream, or hopefully even maybe some grass for the pot bait. So hopefully we can get that. We're on a new location today. So yeah, stay tuned. Just going to check the bay. Might change the plan. We've had no bites so far, not one. What we're using, guys, a clip swivel here, then a nice simple drag weight, a hook, and some ragworm or logworm. So that's our simple rig. So you can see this next camp. Location. There's so much wind in the last place. So now we're going to a different bait and we're going to fight for the rod. So we're just going to wait for the fish to get hooked. Our rods has just had a decent fight. It's getting dark. We didn't get any footage of the wrasse we just caught. We just caught this. So we're going to be going home soon. So I'm just editing my video now, guys. Sorry we couldn't show you the last fish we caught because it was getting dark and the camera was playing up a bit. So next time we might be lobster fishing or netting or something, or conger fishing or something. We might be doing a catch and cook depending on what we do. So like and subscribe for the next video and show me your feedback.